Hi folks, I want to quickly show you this enterprise level website that I created inside AI Studio, and it really blows my mind as to how much and how detailed we can create. Something like this could be sold for thousands of dollars for someone who is a right client. And guess what? This entire thing is built step by step inside the high level platform. Just look at the finishing touch and the way these kind of premium effects align onto each other and making it feel really, really worth the money that you will be charging as an agency. We've been working with a lot of businesses, agencies, direct clients using high level, and they want to use AI Studio with these kind of amazing templates that even they can then sell to their own clients and subscribers over thousands of dollars. And this actually steals attention. This is actually good quality top level international level work that you're seeing here. And if you could sell it to local businesses, if you could sell it to agencies, they will really value the thing that you're producing, right? AI is able to now, even though AI cannot design, AI cannot think on its own, you have to put in the right direction and the right input in order to get the right outcome. But however, AI can do the heavy lifting if you know what you're doing. The right strategy needs to be put in with the right approach, and you get a good quality. These are all like conversion driven sections, like look at it, right? The headline, subheadline, call to action button, trusted logos, showcasing the value, showcasing people, showcasing client objective, client results on the hero section itself. All of this is part of conversion principles that we have been studying, implementing for over the last few years, and been implementing into the high level platform. But AI can do the heavy lifting provided you know what you're doing. And this is crazy good. It's just the homepage, about us pages, beautifully created sections, aligned way, beautiful. These, by the way, these are AI images. You can swap them with your own images. But by the way, this even these ones look very, very professional. Again, these all can be customized to the T depending on the client's use case. And this is like crazy. Like these kind of ones are going to sell like hotcakes, especially if you can create something like this for your clients. Just look at the professional output that we are able to get on these, right? Much better than any kind of normal websites, WordPress websites, stuff like that. And it really takes the lead. I mean, High Level has truly done something that will be a game changer for peoples for the years to come. And I hope that they will introduce more features into it. And I quickly want to show it to you that this is inside the High Level platform. Do not think that this is under something else. Just look at it, how beautiful this looks inside the desktop view, and it looks stunning over here. Beautiful marking up of the stacking of cards and sections all together just makes it look very well organized. Like this looks super premium, super well organized, and I really like what I'm seeing here. Right, not just in the desktop version, this is also available on tablet version, and this is absolutely 110% tablet optimized. Just look at how beautifully this was created, how amazing this looks on the tablet version. So no complaints as to, hey, when we are going to get the tablet version and stuff like that. Everything just looks super nice. I mean, just look at it, perfectly aligned, professional, enterprise level, top quality website is what you're talking about. No AI garbage, no AI slop, something that could actually sell for thousands of dollars. I'm not even kidding, right? So you just need to find the right client who will look at it and understand the value of it. Do not try to sell AI slops and ask for thousands of dollars. That's not going to happen. There are professional designers who could do it custom built for $1,500 to $1,000. So if you want to give a better price, make sure that you have a better product to sell or a better service to sell. That's basically how we have been doing in our agency, generating hundreds of thousands of dollars for our clients and for ourselves. Let's look at the mobile view here. I think this looks absolutely stunning. The way it has organized everything, the bro line, the headline, the subheadline, the button, the CTA, the value driven approach, the text, the videos. I mean, everything just looks very well organized. Something that a professional designer would probably work for weeks and months in order to get something. And by the way, it will take you some more time, to customize it for your client, but then the results will be really good. I mean, something that I would do normally would normally used to take around 2 3 weeks. Nowadays, it should be less than 4 5 days in order to get it super customized and built for that specific client, for that specific project. I mean, this is absolutely nuts. And I'm really liking what I'm seeing. I see a lot of people are creating these kind of websites and landing pages on the AI Studio already, and they are doing pretty well. However, many of them are just creating AI slops. They do not look pretty good, but then, hey, guess what? It all depends on the iteration, the creative strategy, because I've been chatting with this AI for a very long time, and I've been changing, iterating, and doing things again and again and again in order to get it. So probably it takes me around 30, 40 prompts to get something like this built on the high level platform. So yeah, I think kudos to HighLevel team, but they're doing a pretty good job. Looking forward to more features which we can integrate onto these kind of websites and landing pages so that we can truly take our creativity to the next level. Thank you so much for this team. I'll probably share more updates in the coming time. But yeah, looking forward to your responses as well. Please feel free to share as to what you guys are working on so that I can see and understand as to how much we can push the boundaries of AI Studio. Thank you for watching it.